Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start as an administrator because Windows prevents major app removal without elevated rights. Open Settings, then Apps, and choose Installed Apps. This lists modern and Microsoft Store entries. Once done, locate Microsoft Excel or Office entries. Search box speeds this up. Make sure to close Excel and any Office background processes, otherwise, removal stalls. If you use Office 365, note that removing Excel may affect shared features. Now, select the entry and choose Uninstall to begin the process. After clicking Uninstall, follow prompts, accept elevation and let the built-in uninstaller run. This removes files, registry entries, and shortcuts. If Excel is part of Office Suite, you may be offered Modify or Remove. Choose Remove to delete Excel and dependent components. If Settings lacks the option, open Control Panel, right arrow Programs, and Features, then uninstall from there. For persistent Office 365 installations, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery tool to target Excel specifically. Once uninstalled, reboot to finalize file releases and then check program files and app data for leftover Excel folders. Delete them to free space. If you need a deep clean, export relevant registry keys, then remove leftover Office keys. But do this only if you're comfortable editing the registry, because mistakes can break Windows. If uninstall fails, boot into safe mode or run Office Repair. The repair option often fixes blocked removals. One tip: disable antivirus temporarily if it prevents the uninstaller from completing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.